Dear viewers, today our topic is traffic accident lawyers. Today we will discuss in a detail. I will explain to you that in case of car accident, traffic accident, what we have to do. First of all, dear viewers, you know that automobile accidents are the leading cause of death among the healthy US citizens. Car accidents statistics state that drivers who sustain fatal injuries in a single year are measured in the tens of thousands, and nearly 2.5 million are seriously hurt or permanently disabled. Dear viewers, one thing very important I would like to explain to you, that data shows that these numbers have been rising in recent years despite improvements in automobile safety features. The US has more than 220 millions, dear viewers, 220 millions licensed drivers, and they risk their lives every time they enter an automobile as a driver or a passenger. Dear viewers, you can improve the odds for yourself, your passengers, and the other. For starters, it is extremely important to purchase the proper auto insurance. Many health insurance policies don't cover treatment for the injuries sustained in the automobile accidents. Dear viewers, another thing I would like to explain to you then, because our topic is traffic accident attorneys, a car accident lawyer helps car accident victims build a personal injuries claim and seek compensation for the damages other drivers cause. If you have been hurt in an accident and you were not at a fault, a car accident lawyer can help you build your case and file for compensation in a timely manner. Dear viewers, another important question is coming, that is it worth hiring a car accident lawyer if your accident was minor? Yes, this thing we have also keep in our mind, that a car accident lawyer can help even if your car accident was minor by protecting you against legal claims the other party may make in trying to blame you for the accident, the deny and so. Dear viewers, you know that for example, if you have the minor accident, so the minor, by protecting you against legal claims the other party may make in trying to blame you for the accident, to deny their responsibility. A lawyer can also review your claim to make sure you are filing for everything you are entitled to. Additionally, a lawyer knows the experts to hire and the evidence together to help you build for the strong case possible. Dear viewers, you know that what a car accident lawyer can do for your case, what he can help for you if you have the accident. So dear viewers, the main goal of the car accident lawyer is getting you financial compensation to cover your expense like medical bills, vehicle repair or replacement, lost wages, and many things, pain and suffering like etc. Car accident lawyers are personal injury lawyers who specialize in tort law surrounding car accidents. There are a number of ways they can help you pursue the full compensation possible. Dear viewers, you know that moreover he offers a legal advice. The traffic accident attorneys, after you get an accident, you might get a lot of different advices. Maybe you look online and see an article saying one thing, then you talk to a friend or family members and they give you their own opinion on what you should do. It can get confusing quickly. They leave you wondering how to best approach your case or where to even start. Dear viewers, one thing represent you in court. Thankfully, most car accident cases are resolved because traffic accident attorneys playing a very important role. That's why a car accident lawyer can help you gather evidence that is difficult to get on your own. Most people don't realize just how much a car accident lawyers do when working on a case. Here are some additional tasks they do that you might not think about until after you decided to hire a lawyer. Dear viewers, dear viewers, next thing is that investigate the case completely. Traffic accident lawyers playing a very important role because beside reviewing the evidence like pictures and witness statements from the accident, as mentioned above, car accident lawyers may also call on various outside experts including retired police officers or their own investigators. Dear viewers, your lawyer may recreate the accident scene if there are questions about how certain parts of the accident happened. They are not afraid to go to the extra mile and then some to build the strongest case possible. Dear viewers, assess the full extent of your damages by traffic accident attorneys. It's normal to only consider your immediate cost after an accident, but when building a claim, your lawyer will look at all the ways to accident will affect you now and in the future. They will consider current and the future medical treatment cost, how your injuries have affected your ability to work, and the emotional impacts of the accident. Dear viewers, calls on the medical professionals. Some car accidents lawyers maintain professional relationship with the certain medical providers who can provide beneficial services for your claim. They may also have a good knowledge of serious injuries and the best expert to call on for your treatment options. Moreover, you can call to different traffic accident lawyers. They will definitely took your case and will give you the help. Another important thing is that regarding the car accident, dear viewers, one thing is very important. Car accident or the other traffic accidents are life changing experiences. The crash itself is only the beginning of what can be extremely long process of filing an insurance claim, determining fault, and most importantly getting the closure one needs to move on with their life. Having to take on both the insurance companies and the law to get what you deserve from your accident can be extremely intimidating. Don't go through this alone. At Morgan and Morgan, there are many companies. They are providing the accident attorney services. Dear viewers, one thing I will tell you that what are the most important updates in the car accident or other traffic accidents in the US. You know that I will let you know that how many accidents are coming in the US citizen. They are facing a lot of the problems. Dear viewers, there are many traffic accident attorneys in the world like Tanta personal injury lawyers and Augusta personal injury lawyers, traffic accident lawyers, and Macon personal injury lawyers, and Tifton, Tifton accident attorney lawyers, and the states borough attorney lawyers, and the Swanth, and like Dunwoody and the Roswell. There are different accident attorney lawyers. They are providing their services, which are famous attorney traffic accident. They are providing the good services in the world. I will highly recommend it to all these big traffic attorneys, accident attorneys. Dear viewers, I will highly recommend it to you. When you got the accident, you can contact to different lawyers in UK or US, like that law office of Ben Clinton. This is also very good, providing the accident attorney services. The Levin firm, these are the top world Levin firm traffic accident attorneys. Another Khan law firm, they are also providing the good accident attorney services. So dear viewers, you see, today we discuss on traffic accident attorneys, and what does a car accident lawyer do, I explained to you, and traffic accident attorneys nearby you, how you can find it. Just go to the Google and just write there traffic accident attorneys nearby me. I explained to you that how you will go out from the Google, and the best car accident lawyers, I give you the name of the attorneys. And the car accident lawyers, no injury, then what you have to do it, I already explained to you. Is it worth getting a car accident lawyers? I explained to you that if you will get the traffic accident or the car accident lawyers, when you will get it, then how they can compensate to you regarding the medical bill and other cash money, many things I explained to you in this video. And traffic accident attorneys knows the laws. That's why we will refer to go to the traffic accident lawyers. You know that hiring a personal injury attorney to represent you after a car accident means you will have a professional working for you, one who is extremely knowledgeable about the relevant laws and the procedural rules that may affect your case. Definitely, if the attorney will good, then he win the case. What is the most common traffic accident? Most common accident, rear end collisions. Rear end collisions are by far the most common type of car accident. This is the world most famous car accident. Dear viewers, what are the cause of accidents? You know, there are different causes, factors of the road contribute in the accident. Drivers overspeeding, rash driving, violations of rules, failure to understand signs, and alcohol, and pedestrian carelessness, and illiteracy, crossing at wrong place, moving on the carriageway, and like many things. What are, so these are the cause of the accidents. That's why we hire the accident lawyers. Traffic accident claims, how are we different? Actually, at Morgan and Morgan, we have this company. I have also a good recommendation for you, that go to that Morgan and Morgan company. They are providing fighting for over 30 years for their clients who are victims of car accident, to get them compensation and the justice they are owned. So at Morgan and Morgan, this is very good company. What a traffic accident lawyer can do for you in your case, I already explained to you that regarding the compensation to cover your expense like medical bills, vehicle repair, lost wages, pain and suffering. This thing I already explained to you. Dear viewers, thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this will be very beneficial for you. And regarding the traffic accident attorneys, car accident attorneys, and the best car accident lawyers, how you will get the benefit after you getting the accident attorneys and the lawyers, etc. Thank you for watching my video.